Hello there.
Hello. How are we doing?
The study that Kathy has been working on is, to my knowledge, one of the largest scale studies looking at pilots and cognitive health and aging. And it's a fantastic piece of work that leverages the research assets that we have in this lab, the flight simulators, which are specially designed to conduct research and to collect data.
We have a team of engineers and technicians, and I'm part of that team, and we generally call ourselves modeling and simulation specialists. Our job is to work with students and researchers to help them determine what kind of simulation is going to allow them to conduct the kinds of experiments that they need to do to get the results or to be able to prove or disprove their hypotheses. Microsoft Flight Sim 10 is the core of Kathy's research simulator. To support Kathy's research, we need to be able to measure exactly what the altitude is of the simulator, the airspeed, the attitude, the heading, for example. So we write a specialized piece of code that kind of sucks that data out of Microsoft Flight Sim as it's generating the flight characteristics. We've got an actual fuselage of a Cessna 172 with the pedals, with the control yoke, with the buttons and switches. It's an old fuselage, so people tell me it even smells right. So we had a number of comments about the realism of flight in any simulation because you don't have the forces of gravity or buffeting. It's always a little bit unrealistic. But in general, it was good enough to, within 2 or 3 circuits, people were flying naturally and normally, and they were not completely distracted by the simulation itself.
As soon as a task saturation starts, then you forget entirely whatever weakness, whatever inadequacies the setup has, and you become totally involved and concentrated in maintaining flight and in trying to accomplish all the tasks that you were given that are part of a standard routine, but also that were added to that routine. You were challenged very systematically, and that was something that I've never experienced in normal flight with or without an instructor under any kind of condition.